A very good morning, all of you. So, today we will do some identification work for the O sound. Okay. So, here I have taken a O sound worksheet. So, I will explain you what you will do in this. So, we have the worksheet here. You can see we have the O sound in the middle, and we have some of the pictures also. So you can see the pictures. So children, you need to identify the pictures and then you need to match with the O sound. I have already colored all the pictures, but you need to color the picture after matching with the O sound. So this one is owl. So O, owl. Say with me, O, owl. Let's see the other. O. What picture is this? It's a apple and it does not match with the O sound. This is fish. Does it match with the O sound? No. This is orange. Does it match with O sound? Yes. O, orange. Next is onion. O, onion. Yes, it's matching with the O sound. Which picture is that? That's a kite. So it's not matching with the O sound. So in this way you need to identify the O related pictures and you need to match with the O sound. Okay kids? Then after matching the O sound pictures, you will color the pictures. Okay? And you will color the O sound too. Now children, you need to take your phonics people book 1 and you need to do this work along with the video, along with me. Okay? So after taking out this book, you will turn on to the page number 15. So you can see here we have done the first half of this book. Now we will do the other half. Can you see here? So 3 of these pictures have an O sound in them. Okay? Cross out the one that does not. So it's saying that 3 of the pictures have the O sound in it and one does not have the O sound. We need to identify that picture and then we will cross out. Okay? So let's go for the first picture. So can you see the first picture? What is this, children? It's a bat. Can you hear the O sound in this, children? Bat. No, we cannot hear the O sound. Let me explain you by writing the spelling of the picture. And children, please remember that you don't need to write the spelling. Okay. So in the first picture we don't have the O sound. Now let's go to the second picture. It's an octopus. O, octopus. Okay. So can you see we have the O sound in the octopus. Yes, we have the O sound. O, octopus. Now, let's go to the third picture. So, what is this, children? It's a socks. Well done. So, do we have the O sound in socks? Socks. Yes, we have the O sound. Socks. Now let's see the last picture. It's a pond. Can you hear the O sound in it? Pond. Yes, we have the O sound in pond. So can you see three of the pictures here? We have the O sound in it, and the one picture don't have the O sound. Can you tell me which picture, children? So let's find out. It's a pond. Socks. We have the O sound in it. Octopus. O, octopus. But on the first picture we don't have the O sound. So what we will do? We will cross out the bat. So in this way you will do the work. Now let's read out the side words too. So we can see we have O sounds in all the words. Okay, so we will read it out together. So the first is hot, 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 hot. So read along with me, children. You need to read the words along with me. Hot, hot. Mop, mop. Mop. Pots. Pots. Dog. 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 So in this way you need to read this word along with your parents. Okay, take the help of your parents and read out the words. So in this way you will do this half page as a work, as a class work along with me. Now for the homework you need to take your book, my first writing book, small letters. Okay, then we will turn on to the page number 35. Okay, so here what you need to do is you need to trace and write the O sound. Okay, so you can see the first line is the dotted line. So on the first line you will write the O sound on the dots. Okay, and from the second line till the last line you will write the O sound without dots. So I will tell you how you will write the O sound in dots and then without dots too. So you need to remember that your O sound will come between the two blue line, okay? And you should make it on the dots. Now I will explain you how you will write it without dots. So can you see the dot here? You need to start with the dot. Now I will tell you how the O sound is incorrect. See, can you see? We can see the O sound is coming out of the line, so that is wrong. You need to make the O sound by touching both the blue line. It should not come out of the line, otherwise it will be wrong. So you need to remember the formation of the O sound correctly. So see very carefully how I am making the formation of the O sound between the two blue lines. In the same way, you will try to make the O sound in this page. So in this way, children, you will do the homework for today, and you need to do this whole page. And if you are tired, you can do the half page. And later on, when you are free, when you have free time, you can do the rest of the page. But you need to finish the whole page